Welcome back everyone. Now, in this lesson we will explain the difference between public and private. Now, in the previous lesson I told you that you cannot give value to these variables outside the class. Now let me tell you why. By default, the class variables are private. Now by private I mean that it can only be accessed using the functions of the class or inside the class. It cannot be used outside the class. It is for the security of those variables they are made private. Suppose you don't want these variables value to change by the user. That is why they are made private. Now suppose you want to let the user change the value or manipulate the program. That is when you make the part public. That is why we made the update function public here. That because the user can add his amount according to his wish and use the program. Okay, now suppose you want to make a variable public. What you do is that you just inside the public part of the class, you just create your own variable. It could be anything. And public variable. Now this variable can be used outside the class like normal variables. So public basically allows you to use its contents outside the class and anywhere in the program, but private only lets you use it inside the program and using functions. Suppose you want to access this account variable, you need to use a function for that. It cannot be directly accessed outside the class. I think by now it's clear what public and private are. Now it will make more sense to you when you learn about the difference between classes and structures. So in our next lecture we will discuss the differences between structures and classes. See you there. Thank you.